Hey guys, with the election right around the corner, I thought I'd talk about something that I find pretty interesting that's sort of related to it and may explain the really low voter turnout we get every election year. Although what I'm about to talk about kind of gives them too much credit. But work with me here, alright? Now, the idea is something called the voter's paradox, and this idea stems from a theory in philosophy, which is the rational choice theory, which tells you that we should make choices based off of weighing the benefits and the costs um, in relation to ourselves. What's the most rational choice by weighing the benefits and the costs? What brings up the most benefit and what minimizes the costs? And by this rationale, by this theory, we shouldn't vote, especially in a big presidential election like we're about to have November 4th. Why? Because think about it. I mean, if you're going to go vote, a bunch of people are going to vote. I mean, despite the low voter turnout, but a bunch of people are going to vote. Chances are your one vote will not impact the election at all, will not decide the winner. It'll only decide the winner unless it is very close. If you're the deciding vote, really, that's the only way your vote really matters. And chances are that's not going to happen. In fact, you're more likely to um, die on the way there to your polling place than actually impacting the election. So rationally, we shouldn't vote. But of course, if everyone thought this way, if everyone thought rationally according to this theory, then no one would vote, and we wouldn't have an election. That's the paradox. That's the voter's paradox. Um, Similar to the lottery. It's irrational to play the lottery because you're more likely to get struck by lightning twice than ever win the lottery, and stuff like that. Now, I'm not telling you not to go out and vote because I'm registered and I'm going to go out and vote to my polling place on the 4th, and you know, play my part in the democratic process. But and if you can vote, I encourage you to do so. But I'm just pointing out something that I think is pretty interesting and something to think about as you're going there, and because it's probably going to have to wait a long line, and it's something to think about while you're contemplating your vote.